So let's understand what exactly EV760W is all about and what is the use case of this projector. So if you can see, this is the entry level of ultra short throw laser projector. The projection technology is RGB liquid crystal. So this is the LCD projection technology, which is the latest in the market. So resolution is WXGA. 1280 into 800 is the resolution for this. It says 20,000 hours is the normal life of this projector. So I'll just quickly take out the calculator. 20,000. Say for example, I'm running it for 8 hours per day. So divided by 8, which gives me 2500. Let's divide it by the number of days in a year, which is 365. Alright, so it has a capability of running up to 6.8 years. Screen size, the projection distance, because this is an ultra short throw laser projector, you have to put it right next to your wall. So the projector is mounted like this on the top of it. So this will be like a wall mounted thing over here. So the light output, this is a 4100 lumens projector, which is ideal in bright light conditions. You will be absolutely have no trouble in seeing what is being shown. So I consider 3600 lumens to be as an ideal output, but 4100 lumen is like a cherry on the cake. Okay, talking about the power consumption, see the lamp on normal and extended mode is going to be 263 watts and 199 watts respectively. Standby time, elevate learning and meetings with dynamic display. So this projector again is going to give you a full HD resolution. Here they have mentioned full HD. It can do a multi-PC projection that will demonstrate how the wireless projection and the finger touch interactive. Though this model does not support the interactive one, ye touch nahi hai, but we have higher range. So this is how you can create larger projections with this projector. What is the advantage of ultra short throw? Ultra short throw में क्या advantage होता है? Projector सामने लगा होता है, so you have glare in your eyes. If it is ultra short throw, the projector is mounted right here, so you do not essentially see that lamp, and you are comfortably positioning the product. Again, you can use it as a whiteboard. It has a whiteboard function.